Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson I'm going to teach you welcome phrases for Ukrainian kids who are the refugees. As you know, many Ukrainian women had to flee together with their kids because it is very unsafe to stay in Ukraine, and they wanted to save the lives of their kids. So it is very stressful for Ukrainian kids to go abroad, to meet new people, to hear new foreign language for them. And on Facebook I got a message from one woman, and she said, Ina, please record a video lesson with the useful phrases that I can use to welcome kids at the airport. So we picked up with her the useful phrases, so let me teach you them. Is this your mom? Це твоя мама. Це твоя мама. Or grandma. Чи бабуся. Це твоя мама чи бабуся. Як тебе звати? What is your name? Як тебе звати? What is your name? Скільки тобі років? How old are you? Скільки тобі років? Хочеш пити? Do you want to drink? Хочеш пити? Do you want to drink? Хочеш їсти? Do you want to eat? Хочеш їсти? Хочеш печиво? Do you want a cookie? Хочеш печиво? Це твоя іграшка? It is your toy? Це твоя іграшка? Я радий or я рада тебе бачити. Я радий, я рада тебе бачити. I'm glad to see you. У нас є іграшки для гри. We have toys to play with. У нас є іграшки для гри. А ти хочеш сидіти тут чи дивитися телевізор? Ти хочеш сидіти тут чи дивитися телевізор? Do you want to sit here or watch TV? Тобі подобається школа? Do you like school? Тобі подобається школа? Що тобі найбільше подобається в школі? What do you like best about school? Що тобі подобається найбільше в школі? Тобі подобається малювати чи розфарбовувати? Do you like painting or coloring? Тобі подобається малювати чи розфарбовувати? Ти любиш грати на вулиці? Do you like play outside? Ти любиш грати на вулиці? Яка твоя улюблена їжа? What is your favorite food? Яка твоя улюблена їжа? Guys, I believe this vocabulary was very useful for you, and you will use it next time when you will meet with Ukrainian kids and you will able to have a small talk with them. Thank you so much for helping Ukrainian women and kids in need. And thank you so much for supporting Ukraine in these difficult times. We still have war, so please help us to finish it faster because we can't stand with it anymore, believe me. And I would like to ask you to keep supporting my project. Buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. I still help Kherson volunteers, and my native city is still in the occupation. So there is a very big humanitarian crisis. So I collect money for them from this project. Please welcome to visit my online Ukrainian language school speaker.com. There you will find a lot of very useful courses, lessons, flashcards, textbooks. Please subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Thank you for your support on Patreon. Дуже дякую і слава Україні!